How to use ChatGPT OpenAI for beginners. Let's get started with the video. Initially, head over to the Play Store and download the ChatGPT app if you haven't already. However, if you have already downloaded the app, open it and make sure you are logged into your account. If you are looking to access more advanced features, simply tap on Get Plus at the top of the screen. This will upgrade your ChatGPT account to a premium plan. Now go back to the chat screen, type your prompt in the message bar and hit send. ChatGPT will instantly respond. You can always ask follow-up questions if you need more clarification on the response. For a hands-free experience, click on the microphone icon to speak your prompts instead of typing. If you need to share an image or a file, just select the photo icon at the bottom left. You can take a photo, upload a photo, or even upload a file. To view your chat history, tap the two horizontal lines icon in the top left corner. Here you can access your full chat history. That's all. I hope this video helped.